Unanglam ka National People's Party Ujim Sangma Balong Ru Ukrtong Paiba Jongka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance Haka Singi Pale Ulapliang Yaka Certificate Jongka Jingjob Shakawe ka seat MP Jongka Raja Sabha na Meghalaya Hadin Pol Rajiet Yau Krem Jingyakun.
So yes, it is always a challenge, because to speak in the parliament, to get an opportunity to express yourself is on a representative basis. So because of less numbers of MPs in the northeast, it's always a challenge. But I believe that persistence, patience is something that I will need to ensure that I have that in plenty, and I will keep always press for more time be allotted, especially because there are many issues, not just in our state of Meghalaya but in the entire region, the northeast, that need that kind of voice in parliament. So it will always be my endeavor to impress and stress upon the fact that northeast needs a lot of more talking room and talking space and talking time in parliament.
So what will be your priorities? What will be your priorities?
Priorities, there are plenty. I mean, of course, from the Meghalaya perspective, we all know that we are pushing for inclusion of Khasi and Garo in the age schedule. Then there are many other issues that Meghalaya has in terms of the voice that we want to be heard in Meghalaya, in Parliament. But of course, there are other issues in the northeast as well that need to be highlighted.
Well, sir, in fact, we have seen there has been a demand for implementation of inner-line permit, and in fact, earlier also MPP, Rajya Sabha MP has pushed for it. So, in this regard, what are you planning to do? What is your plan?
Will you also be pushing for it?
See, as we all know, this is an issue which has been passed in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly as a resolution. So it is my bounden duty as a representative of the state to carry forward that resolution so that it finds a voice in the halls of the Rajya Sabha. So yes, I will be pursuing this matter.
What about the Garo language?
Of course, as I mentioned, that also is part of the resolution, and that will also be finding a place among many other agendas in what I will be pursuing in Rajya Sabha.
Can you tell the mission and vision?
The vision and mission, of course, the roles and responsibilities, everyone knows what the roles and responsibilities of Honorable Member of Parliament is. Namely, it is to raise issues in the upper house of Parliament, and that is something that I am well aware of, and as I was just mentioning, that these will be issues which we will be taking up. Others are, of course, in my role as a Member of Parliament, I can also play the role of somebody in New Delhi where governmental programs, schemes can also be pursued in respective government departments. So I will be offering my services to the government also to take up those kind of matters.
So reports state that some